Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go today with a ASV RC30 compact track loader. Talk about flotation, this machine will lightly tread. Powered with a 3-cylinder cat diesel. Perfect machine for compact areas, trail, off-road. This is the machine to go for. 48-inch bucket, 42-inch pallet fork, sells as a package. We've got auxiliary hydraulics, and we've got the pilot controls. Great visibility on the machine, rated operating capacity of 800 pounds. It is interesting to drive. You can go up and over an obstacle, and it's not like a solid carriage, undercarriage where your machine will drop. This one just flexes and goes over. This suspension has been rebuilt and tracks are like new. Compact power unit, but easy to work on. Very accessible. It's a 3-cylinder, 30 horsepower cat diesel. They run a Perkins now. I believe this is a 2003 model. Liquid cooled. We'll do a full service on the machine before it goes out. Does have headlights, of course. Clean, well maintained. It's a 2-owner machine. Just came in on trade on a little larger track machine. Give you the shot of the hours, 11:97.7. Easy in and out. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this ASV RC30 compact track loader. Again, good hours on the machine. It's always been shedded. Auxiliary hydraulics, rebuilt suspension, excellent tracks, cat 30 horse diesel. Just a nice compact package, ready to go into your woodlands. You'll just see, a few honest scratches on the back end. Does have a 2-inch receiver hitch in case you want to pull your trailer up in the woods and do some logging. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Located in Hudson, Wisconsin. We're just east of Minneapolis and St. Paul, Minnesota. If you need a freight quote, I can help you out with that. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on the ASV RC30 cat-powered compact track loader. Bucket and forks, complete package. You can see the bucket has minimal wear to it. The edge looks like new. Nice tight machine. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.